Alright, today we're going to do a video of our SUPERTEC cylindrical grinder. It's a CNC. It's a model G38P-60 CNC. It's 15 by 24 inch. It's a 7.5 horsepower on the wheel head. It has a FANUC OI MTD control. We're going to start the wheel head. That's 1500 RPM. Then we'll start our workhead. That's about 150 RPM. We'll raise the speed on the that's 250. That's 400. Again, very, very quiet, smooth. The machine is equipped with a coolant system. It's a magnetic filtration and paper filter system. We'll stop the workhead, jog the axes in and out. There's your wheel head or your x-axis. The x-axis does have scale feedback, a Heidenhain scale. Then you have your z-axis. Again, both axes very quiet. Dresser on the back side of the workhead. You have a foot pedal, hydraulic tailstock. You can do it both manually or by foot. The machine does have a filtration system up on top. Here are your current machine hours as of today. Roughly 1,000 run hours. Machine comes with a bunch of extra wheels, 2 extra wheel hubs, a balancing stand, all that stuff down here. And I think that basically completes the video. Again, it's a 2016 FANUC OI Mate TD control. Glass scale on the x-axis. It's a 15 by 24 inch machine. Can be seen under power in our Harrison, New Jersey warehouse. Thanks for watching.